All right, let's check out our next sensor. This one is way smarter than what we've seen before.
Up until now, we've stuck to simple analog sensors. Today, though, we're leveling up to a digital one.
Remember on day 4 and 5? Our sensors just gave the ESP32 a simple voltage reading, super direct. But how do you measure something complex like humidity? It's not as simple as reading a voltage.
Yeah, it's not a simple reading at all. It actually needs some pretty complex math to work.
And that's where this little guy comes in. Meet the DHT11, our digital temperature and humidity sensor.
The best way to think about this sensor, well, it's basically a tiny, self-contained factory. So inside that blue case, it senses the air, does all the hard math, and cooks up a report.
So what does that final report look like when it gets sent over to our ESP32?
It's a super fast stream of exactly 40 digital pulses, all sent down just one single wire.
Okay, but how on earth does our ESP32 make sense of that complicated signal?
Well, the short answer is it can't, not on its own. It needs a translator.
And this is where the magic of a code library comes in. It does all the heavy lifting for us. We just use the library, and it handles all that crazy fast, complex timing of the 40 pulses.
So check out this new workflow. The sensor does the math, the library translates, and we get clean data.
And just like we did back on day 9, we can display this perfect weather data right on our screen.
Okay, so we can detect the weather, but can we detect a burglar? Find out on day 12 when we use infrared vision.